Hello, Cambly learners. My name is John. I'm a Cambly teacher, and today we're going to talk about adjectives. Let's get started. So adjectives, what are they? They modify nouns. Why do we want to modify nouns? Well, the reason is because we want to create a picture or an image of something. So adjectives are, they make like a picture in our mind. We can see something. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the proper. So the proper adjective is used, for example, let's just take a country for our first one. Take the country Germany. If we take the country Germany, who are the people that live there? They're called Germans. So if you have a car from Germany, you would say, I have a German car. Of course, German would be capitalized because it's a proper noun. If you have a camera and it's made by Nikon, then you would say, I have a Nikon camera. The next one is descriptive. So descriptive comes from description. And let's say you have a car, okay? And if I made a sentence, I could say, I have a car. I have an old car. I have an old blue car. I have an old blue classic car. So I've painted a picture with using adjectives. You can imagine what this car looks like without seeing it. Next, quantitative. So quantitative comes from quantity. So when we talk about quantity, we want to talk about it in a way that shows us an amount, but not definitive. We don't know exactly how much it is. And one word we can use is some. For example, I ate some pasta today. There is only a little coffee left. Next, numeral. So a numeral comes from number. And there are two kinds of numbers. There's the cardinal number, and we have the ordinal numbers. Now the cardinal numbers are just 1, 2, 3, and the ordinal numbers are first, second, third. And an example would be, I ate 3 eggs at breakfast. The first person in line paid cash. Interrogative. Interrogative comes from interrogation. Like interrogating someone, you would ask a question. And so questions start with who, what, when, why, where. In our case, we're going to use those examples. So let's say you're shopping in a store and you want to buy a coat or a shirt. And the sales clerk will ask you, which color do you prefer? Maybe you have a choice, right? Let's say your friend asks, what did you do today? You say, I went to the bookstore. I bought a book. The question, what book did you buy? Next, demonstrative. So we're going to demonstrate location or position of something using this, that, these, and those. Let's say I'm sitting in the kitchen and I ask someone to pass me some water. So I'd say, give me that bottle of water. Maybe again in a store, clerk asks, can I help you? Yes, I would like those shoes. And the next one is possession. So possession means something that belongs to someone. And those are his, her, yours, my, it's, our, their. Possession. And an example might be, our father told us not to fight. Maybe at a company, you're talking about someone who's working there. We are concerned about his performance or her performance or their performance. So there you go. Those are some examples of adjectives and the different forms of adjectives. I hope this is helpful for you. Just to let you know that, again, Cambly is an online platform with the teachers from all over the world. And they're here ready and can help you improve your language and become more fluent. So if you're interested, just click on a link and try it out. That's all for now. Good luck. Goodbye.